What's up, people? I've enjoyed doing the facts lately. Today we're gonna learn about Ton 618, the quasar. I don't I call it a black hole. Quasar. I'm not exactly. I can't define that. I know the term, of course, but let's find out what it is together. A quasar is an extremely luminous and distant active galactic nucleus, primarily powered by a supermass. Okay, I see now. Okay, it's just like so. It's a galaxy. Which is every galaxy has a supermassive black hole at the center of it. I believe that's what the astronomist is it astronomist or astronomer. Who knows? Let's just say the scientists. They think. All right, Ton 618 is a quasar, and the supermassive black hole at the center is one of the most massive ever discovered, with a mass of 66 billion times that of the sun. It's also one of the brightest objects in the universe with a luminosity equivalent of 100. Man, come on. Like, I just gotta love reading about this stuff. It's like these numbers really mean nothing to our tiny little brains. 140 trillion suns. Like, what? And what you found here it is right here next to us. I say what you found how far away it is. Sun 618 is located about 18.2 billion light years away from Earth. Ja! Near the border of the constellations Canis Venatici and Coma Berenices. With these Italian names, I can't say that shit. All right, massive black hole. Ton 618's central black hole is estimated to have a mass of 66 billion times that of the sun. See, I've been thinking about Ton 618 in a erroneous way. I thought it was the black hole, but there's a supermassive black hole at the center of it. So this is good. I learned something so I wouldn't make a fool of myself in any future conversation if Ton 618 ever came up. Brightest quasar. It's hyperluminous, meaning it's incredibly bright, emitting a luminosity equivalent of 140 trillion suns. Like what is that? Like, it means nothing. Like, when I think about 140 trillion suns, I think it's just pure white and just blind. It's located a vast distance away, 8.2 billion light years from Earth. So that would mean a beam of light traveling at the speed a beam of light travels. I have not memorized that number. It would take 18.2 billion years of 365 Earth days, 18.2 billion of those to get there. So I don't think we have to worry about Ton 618 anytime soon, sucking us up. I don't think like black holes don't even really suck in matter though. That's like a misconception. Like, it like all just like spins around the little disc. The point of no return. What's it called? I know it as the point of no return. I can't think of black hole anatomy right now. It's been so long. It's been years since I looked at them. But yeah, it doesn't like go in the hole. Like in the way people like. It's not like a vacuum cleaner. Okay. Projected co-moving distance. The co-moving distance, which accounts for the expansion of the universe, is about 23 billion light years. What does that mean? Like, in terms of like cosmic expansion, so it's like 23 billion light years away instead of 18.2. I don't understand what projected co-moving is. If I don't know something, I will let you know. I don't know what the hell that means. Let's find out on that too. In cosmology, projected co-moving distance refers to distance measure that accounts for the expansion of the universe, but it's also projected or deprojected to a particular viewing angle. Okay, yeah, I see now. It is for it just adjusts for cosmic expansion, basically. It's like just weighed. I mean, if you think about it in that way, like we were accounting for cosmic expansion, so it's projected to be, I guess, 23 away instead of 18.2. Makes sense because the universe, everything's moving away from everything rapidly, faster than the speed of light, actually. Because the universe can break that principle. Like, nothing with matter is supposed to be able to move faster than the speed of light, but the universe is not the thing within the universe. It is itself. So it can move faster. It's expanding faster than the speed of light. So you could never reach the edge of the universe, even if you could conceivably move fast enough. You know what I mean? Okay. The observed redshift of 2.219 indicates that the light from Tun 618 has traveled for roughly 10.8 billion years to reach us. That's crazy. Like I said, light does not move instantly. It moves at a certain speed, and it takes it's just the amount of distance it travels in a calendar year here on Earth, 365 years. I will look that speed up at the end of this if I can remember. what the speed of light is. Sun 618 was first observed in 1957 survey of faint blue stars. It was initially mistaken for a faint blue star due to the brilliance of the quasar outshining its host galaxy. Wait, this quasar outshines the galaxy itself? That's nuts. Radio emission. So it's not a galaxy. I guess it's a galactic nucleus. Later, radio emissions from Sun 618 were discovered, confirming that it was a quasar. Luminous quasar is a quasar. Sun 618 is believed to be the active galactic nucleus at the center of a galaxy. Powered, so it just goes like it's just like a nesting doll, like a Russian nesting doll. You got the galaxy, then the galactic nucleus, and the supermassive black hole and the fueled by the surrounding accretion disk. That's what it was. The accretion disk. That's where like all that matter is like spinning around. Once you get past that, you're getting sucked. You're done. Um, let's look at Ton 618 now. Let's go to Grok and have it create. Actually, let's not. This video will be too long. I actually want people to watch it. You might get educated. Like, I don't think not everybody knows what Ton 618 is. I don't think. It's really the most famous. I guess black holes, but yeah. Why does it look like the thing from Interstellar? Isn't that what that planet looked like? What's the planet? Or not the planet. What am I saying? The black hole Gargantua. I wanted a tattoo of Gargantua from Interstellar. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like that. Yes, that's not Ton 618. That's Gargantua. Ha! So, man, Google is so full of shit. You gotta be looking up Ton 618. It's just Gargantua. They stole something from a movie. But I want this tattooed on my right shoulder for real though. It look cool as hell. Anyway, that's it. I wear tank tops every fucking day. That's it. Yeah, Ton 618 is crazy and it's crazy far away, so don't worry about it sucking you up anytime soon. See ya.